Hello everybody, welcome back to ERD Stitches tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to cut and sew this drawstring backpack. This is a requested video. I hope it will get to the person that requested it. So without taking your time, I'm going to put you through on the cutting and sewing of this bag. But please don't forget to follow my page on Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is the material we are going to use for it. I'm going to give you the measurement I'm using. So the wideness I'm using is 15 inches, while the length I'm using is 40.5 inches. You can decide to cut yours into two, but I cut mine together. So the first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to fold in 1/4 of an inch. I'm folding it 2 times. That's 1/2 inch folded into 2 times. I want to conceal this roughness of the edges. I don't want it to show inside. That's why I'm folding it this way. So this is optional. You can decide to sew your own without folding it in. So I will fold it in and sew it on the 2 sides. So that's what I'm trying to do here now. Fold it 1/4 inch once, fold it again for the second time. So I'm going to take it to my sewing machine now to sew it down. So after sewing it down, the next thing I'm going to do at the same time on my sewing machine is I'm going to mark 2 inches here. So I'm going to mark it here also, 2 inches. So I'm going to fold it over. This will be after sewing the 2 sides. I'll fold it to meet the 2 inches point first. Once it meets the 2 inches point, I'll make sure that I arrange that place very well. I will fold it over again. Then I will arrange it very well and sew it down. You can see it. If you finish sewing it, that particular point will be folded. You will not see this roughness at that particular point. So now I'm going to take it to my machine, arrange it very well the way I'm doing now. Make sure that everything is equal. Then I will sew it at this point. I'll sew it down. Then I will get the second side, this side. I'm going to repeat the same. So now this is a 2 inches by 3 inches material of the same material. So I'm going to fold it 1/2 inch in 2 places, then I'll fold it together. So now we arrange it and clip it down. I will do same on this one, folding 1/2 inch this way, folding 1/2 inch this way. Then I will fold it over again together. Then I will clip it down. I'm going to take it to my machine and stitch it on the 2 sides. So after sewing it, this is what I have. I've also sewn the body. This is what I have after sewing it. You can see the way I folded the 2 sides and sew. Now I'm going to fold it over this way, right side facing each other. Arrange it very well, make sure it's equal, right side facing each other. So at the base, I'm going to mark 1 inch at the base, 1 inch. I'm going to repeat same on this side, 1 inch. So now I'm going to get the strap. I'm going to fold the strap into 2. Then I will stuck it in. The folded side will be in. It will start from that 1 inch point. I'm going to repeat same here from the 1 inch point that we mark. You stuck it in. So I'm going to sew it. I'm going to start from where my casing ended. From here I will sew down. From here I will also sew down. So after sewing it, this is what I have now. So I'm going to turn it to the right side. Turn it, make sure you push out the down part. Put your hand inside and push it out very well. So you can see the strap. You see where it started from that 1 inch point I marked. That's where it started. So now we're going to fix in our rope. The rope I'm using is 72 inches in length, and I have 2 pieces of it cut out. So I'm going to fix it in with the help of my safety pin. Just watch the way I'm putting it now. I'm fixing it on one side now. So by the time it come out from this particular point, I'm going to turn it and continue putting it on the second side also. I'll continue putting it on the second side. So the rope now will come out at the same place I started. You can see it. So you arrange it, make sure it's equal there. Draw it and make sure it's equal. So now I'm going to put it inside my strap, the strap that we sew very close to the base. You put the two edge ropes there and tie a knot with it to safeguard it there. You tie a knot with it to safeguard it. So now that is it for that. Now I'm going to get the second rope. I'll put it in my safe spin and start from this side. I'll fix it also. The casing I created is 1 inch in wide, so it can accommodate the two ropes very freely. So when it come out to here, I'm going to also continue from the other side of the bag. You see what I'm doing? I'm trying to fix it on the other side of the bag. You have to cut across the other side so that the rope will also come out to where it started. So now my rope is out. I'm going to remove the safety pin and arrange the rope. Make sure it's equal. Make sure that the position is okay. Then you put it in to pass it through the strap and also tie a knot with it. Tie a knot with it. So after tying a knot with this my rope, you can see this is what I have. This is our drawstring bag, but it doesn't end here. So you're going to get a lighter so that you can be able to burn the edges of the rope, because it's very rough as it is here. If you don't burn it the way I'm doing now, it will start losing from there. So you use your lighter and burn it to safeguard the rope. So now this is our drawstring bag. If you have watched to this extent and you have not followed my page on Facebook or subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so that you will not miss out on all the free videos I'm dropping both on my Facebook page and my YouTube channel. So this is our bag now. You can decide to increase your own or reduce it. It's optional. The size varies, but this size I did is very fine. It came out very well. So you can see the inside. Look at the inside, that the way I folded it. Can you see the result it gave us inside here? You can even turn it to the inside and also use it. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. God bless you for always coming back, especially my returning subscribers and those that are stopping by for the first time. Thank you.